20 creative DIY Disney Christmas ornaments anyone can do, DIY and crafts. Christmas is nearly here, and you know what that means. It means that it's time to start making your own Christmas decorations. This year, I wanted to share some extra special homemade ornaments and such with you, and so I collected 20 fun DIY Disney Christmas ornaments that are bound to bring some excitement to your tree. All of these are super easy to make, and your little ones are going to adore them. From Disney princesses to Olaf ornaments and so many wonderful Mickey and Minnie Mouse ideas. You are definitely going to want to take a look at these amazing DIY decorations. If your kids love Disney, be sure that you take a look at these 60 best Disney crafts that will keep them busy all year long. My kids have always loved Disney, and I am sure that yours do. 2. If you plan to make a Disney-themed Christmas tree this year, these ornaments and decorations are going to help you so much. They're super easy, super adorable, and many of them can be made with dollar store supplies, which makes them super cheap. Oh, and check out these 10 DIY baby's first Christmas ornaments that are a must for new parents. These little Disney ornaments are super easy to make, and you can make them from things that you may already have on hand in the kitchen. Kids will adore creating these apple cinnamon ornaments, and you will love how they smell like fresh cinnamon. These are perfect for adding some festiveness to your tree, and it's so easy to turn the dough into a Mickey Mouse style DIY ornament. Did I mention that there are only 2 ingredients? Imagine filling your Christmas tree with these adorable hand-crocheted Disney-inspired ornaments. You could do these in any number of color combinations so that they match your other tree decorations. These are pretty simple to crochet, too, and shouldn't take you long to turn out, even if you are fairly new to the world of crochet. Plus, you get a ton of patterns with this one. I found these on Etsy, and it's just over $20 for all of the patterns, and there are a lot of them. Take some ordinary plain ornaments and turn them into Disney ornaments with just a little paint. I love this project. It's super easy, and even your little ones can help you to create your own DIY Disney ornaments with this one. You'll need some clear glass or plastic ornaments for these, and the appropriate paints for whichever material you choose. Plus, grab some ribbon for making a Minnie Mouse, and maybe for creating some extra embellishments. Here is another great little project that you can do with clear glass or plastic ornaments. And FYI, you can get those clear ornaments in a number of different sizes and in plastic or heavy-duty glass. And they are pretty inexpensive. Aside from the ornaments, you need some craft paint and something to create the silhouette of your favorite Disney characters, like vinyl cutouts. Or, if you don't have a vinyl cutter, you could just print off the images on your computer and cut them out yourself. Okay, so this isn't an ornament that you would hang on your Christmas tree, but it will look beautiful on your front door. This DIY Disney Christmas wreath is super easy to make, and it is absolutely gorgeous when you get it finished. You make this with 3 evergreen wreaths. You need one for the head and the other 2 make the ears, or you can make these yourself out of bendable garland. Decorations are up to you, but don't you just love those little handmade Santa ornaments? This is a great one, especially if you love making your own DIY Christmas wreaths. I love the rustic appeal of string decorations, and these DIY Mickey Mouse string ornaments just confirm that. These are really easy to make and would look great on an old farmhouse-styled Christmas tree. You could even make these a little bigger and turn them into great Christmas lights for the season. You need some balloons for these, as well as liquid starch, string, glitter, and a few other supplies. They're easy to do and look so great when they're finished. I love these little jingle bells that look just like Mickey or Minnie Mouse. These are also super easy to make and would look great on your tree no matter what your actual theme this Christmas. You could also use these to embellish other ornaments or use them to dress up your Christmas wreath. They're easy to make, really inexpensive, and so adorable when you get them finished. If your little ones love Peter Pan, Tinker Bell, and fairy dust, this is the perfect DIY Disney-themed ornament for your tree this year. This little glass or plastic clear ornament is filled with fairy dust, and decorated however you want to decorate it. You could write any number of messages on the ornament or add a silhouette of Peter or Tink. However you want to decorate it. Just don't forget to fill it with pixie dust first. You can buy ornaments like these at the Walt Disney Store and pay a small fortune for them. Or, you can head over to Walmart or the dollar store and pick up a few small Disney character figurines, along with some of those fillable plastic Christmas tree ornaments, and make your own. You just have to attach the figurines to the inside of the ornaments and then maybe add some embellishments like glittery garland or even some faux snow. These are super easy and much cheaper to make than to buy. I love the idea of using a Minnie or Mickey Mouse as a tree topper, especially if you are doing a Disney-themed Christmas tree this year, and you want to DIY your own decorations. These are super easy, and they are really simple to customize and make them however you want them. They're so simple to create that your little ones can help with them, and then you just have to add them to the top of your tree, or make a small collection of them and use them as table decor this holiday season. So, a few glass ornaments, one for everyone in the family, some paint and some free time are just about all you need to create these gorgeous DIY Disney-themed personalized ornaments. You just create the look with polka dots or other Disney-themed backgrounds and then add your names and the year to personalize them. These are super simple and so adorable. And, if you prefer not to make your own, you can check these out on Etsy. The $10 for a set of 2. These DIY Disney-inspired Mickey Mouse ornaments are perfect if you want your tree to be a bit more elegant. They are really easy to make and have such a lovely shine to them. You make these with large and super small round ornaments, and you could do them in any color. Although silver and red are really good choices. You could even add ribbon for Minnie Mouse and other embellishments to make them extra special. So, you need some DIY garland for the tree. Right, why not keep with your Disney theme and create this super simple Mickey Mouse garland? You make this with heavy construction or craft paper, yarn and a few other key crafting supplies. The garland is really simple to make, and this is a great project for the kids to do while you're wrapping presents. Just help younger ones with the cutting out and they can handle the rest. I love this little pop-up ornament, and you could do these in any Disney character that you wanted with just a little imagination. The old school Mickey is really easy to make and would look beautiful on a vintage Christmas tree. You make this little Mickey Mouse ornament from heavy cardstock and a few other basic crafting supplies. Your little ones are going to love helping you make these and putting them on the tree. How adorable are these tiny little terracotta pots that you turn into Mickey and Minnie Mouse ornaments. These are almost too cute, and they are really easy to make. You just need some of those really tiny planters, and you can get them at any home improvement store. You also need paints and a few ribbons and other decorations that you may have on hand. This little Minnie Mouse wreath is super easy to make, and you only need a few basic craft supplies to do it. You could even scale this down and make it small enough to hang on the tree. Add a few of these in with your other DIY Disney ornaments. You can do this with cardstock or other heavy crafting paper, and kids are going to love helping you make these. If your kids love Disney's Frozen, they are going to adore adding these little Olaf pom-pom ornaments to your tree. These would be great to add with other Frozen ornaments, and they are so easy to make. Even your little ones can help to make a handful of these, and you can add ribbon for hanging or even use these on a wreath or other decor. They're perfectly adorable, and you can use your craft scraps to make them. These little popsicle stick ornaments can be made into any Disney character that you want. I remember my little ones bringing home Rudolph and his friends, all made from craft sticks. I love DIY popsicle stick crafts, and this is one of my favorite for Christmas decoration. Make your own Olaf, Anna, Elsa, or any other Disney characters that you want for your tree. If you want to add some cute Olaf ornaments to your tree, and you want something that your little ones can easily help you with, these little sock snowmen ornaments are perfect. You dress these up like Olaf from Frozen when they are finished, and they are super easy to make. You need a sock for each one, and you can find packs of Bobby socks at the Dollar Tree for just $1 and make several of these to decorate your Christmas tree this year. Here is another cute little Mickey Mouse ornament that has ears, but this one is a bit different than others. This one has glittery balls for the ears and is filled with red tinsel. You can easily make this with tiny Christmas ornaments and clear fillable ones. I found this one on Etsy and it's just $12. But you could easily do this one yourself with some cheap dollar store or Dollar Tree supplies. Text source: dyingcrafts.com.